Visibility is a light subject. Class members can be accessed from different scopes, from within a class, from within a subclass, and from within an instance. There's actually one more, but we'll go over static methods and properties in another video. We've learned about inheritance and how a subclass inherits the properties and methods from the parent class. But here's the exception. If a parent class defines a member as private, that method or property will not be available to the subclass or an instance. This allows the class declaring the methods and properties to maintain integrity over the data. For example, if I wanted to make sure the width was always a numeric value, I could declare it as private and then expose a public method that validates a value before it's actually assigned to the width property. So there's three visibility options. There's public, protected, and private. That's in order from least restrictive to most. Public, protected, and private. I'll change the class we're instantiating from to image, since I'll be referring to member access based on the visibility declared in the image class. So let's do that. All right. Now with our properties and methods set to public, they're accessible from within the image class, from within the user image class, the subclass, and from within the instance of the image. If we change this to protected, I'll copy that to all of them. Okay, now these properties and methods are accessible from within the image class. They're also accessible from the subclass, from the user image class, but they're not accessible from the instance of the image. And you can see PHP Storm is throwing a red line under them. That's what it's telling me. It's saying, it gives me a little hint there. Member has protected access, so it's not usable down there. Okay, so let's set them to private now. Okay, now with all members set to private, they're accessible from within the class, but they're not accessible from within the subclass, user image, or the instance of the class. And we can see now we have a little red line and some hinting under the user image class on the render function. Okay, so the terminology for this one is pretty simple. We have visibility, and there's three types of visibility: public, protected, and private.